take your eyeballs off on the bed?
God, Night at the Apollo. Are you going to love the bunk bed?
Yep, and I'm going to see the truck.
Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, dun 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 dun
Watch
dun.
out,
Nate,
Come on in.
what do you have to?
Let Mom.
2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 2, 3.
You gotta get the reaction.
Well, wrong room.
It's in your room.
Oh, I didn't really see.
What? What?
I love the truck.
Oh my God.
What do you think? Get your butt in there. Check it out.
I'm getting in.
It's Millie.
Oh my
Isn't that cool?
goodness.
Nate, get up the bunk.
Well, hold on. You get up there.
What do you think?
Good.
Good? How excited are you?
No, I need some money for the bed.
Oh. Okay. How excited are you?
Archie, look at me.
How excited are you?
It says my name.
Hey, come look at the window. I'll take a picture of you at the window.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
And I love it. Do you love it? How much do you love it?
So much.
Archie, look at me.